the next one we have React class component state. React class components have a built-in state object. You might have noticed that we used state earlier in other component constructor section. This state object is where you store property value that belongs to the component. When the state object changes, the component re-renders. So now, creating the state object is initialized in the constructor. We have an example. Specify the state object in the constructor method. So let's have our example. In this time around, we would be having it in, where's the name file? Okay, now our new file.jsx. So we'll now have it in a long way. So in this aspect, we'll create a class name called class mycar extend react dot component, and we'll say constructor. In this constructor, we are going to put a prop. Constructor props super, it will still have a prop. It will still have a props. Then now we'll create a this state. This dot state equals to, probably we can say brand Lexus. Yes. So now we'll have the render this thing, which will say render, they'll say return, would have a div, probably saying my car name is this dot state dot brand. This dot state dot brand. So now let's export my car. My car exported. Let's come to our app.js. We have a new one here. Say my car. My car. Whew, my car. What's our target here? Our target is we are creating a class component. Let's check it out. Yes, can you see my car name is Lexus? So we can as well create another one which says multiple states property. In this aspect, where we have where's new file? In this aspect, where we have brand, we can as well say color. We can do like this. Okay, yeah. The model is RX 350, the year is 2022, and this and this and this. Then we can say, so in this place, we can have P tag or H3 and put this inside since we want to have, and I can say P, the model is this dot state dot model, and the model is RX 350. The year is 2020. This dot state, I hope you are getting along, dot year. Okay, I can say my car name is Lexus 350 and the color is black. I don't want to have a long text here. You can have it here and say, and the color is this dot state dot color. Now let's check our results. Good. My car name is Lexus and the color is black. The model is RX 350. The year is 2022. Thank you very much. So let's go to the last aspect. Using the state object. Refer to the state object anywhere in the component by using this dot state dot property name like we did. Example, referring the state in render. Refer to the state object in the render method. Let's proceed. So let's go to our example. So I want us to comment this out. Or probably we don't even need that. We can just come here and say, so what we want to do is we want to change the color. So after the construct, we can say change color equals to, we're having an arrow function here. This dot set state, we'll talk about set state too. This dot set state, curly braces, color equals to green. Color equals to green. So the color is going to change from black to green. So in our div, where we have this dot brand and this dot color, we can as well then say have a p tag. Okay, with this that we have here, we can have a button and say button type. Oh, button does not have. Equals to we can say button type CYP type button, which is on click. That is, if we click this button,